started the day with a plan to do nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm due for a lazy day anyway. Did that rhyme? Yes, it did. This girl, yes, me, is tired. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm fatigued. I am irritable. I am easily angry. I am mean to people. I am mean to myself. Everybody right now gives me the ick just by existing, because I need to rest. I need a nap. I'm a meanie that needs a nap. I need to stop, rest, relax, and reset. Today is the perfect day for rest. I have no plans. I have all day to myself. I really just should be resting. And I tried. I woke up and got everything that I needed to do out of the way so that I would just do nothing. It was a perfect do nothing day. But I lasted all of 15 minutes on the couch before I started to feel anxious, almost guilty about just doing nothing. I felt like I needed to be doing something. And so my mind just started to think about all the things I would have to do when I was done resting. And even though I knew I wasn't going to do them at the moment, I started to make plans, and that's not relaxing at all. I don't want to be thinking about working when I should be relaxing. And I started to feel irritable. I started to feel angry. Why am I working? Why is work coming into the space? Who invited work to the party? I did. I invited work to the party. And now I'm kicking work out of the party because we're gonna relax. Once we figure out how to relax. Why can't I rest? It should be easy, right? Lie on the couch, lie in bed and do nothing. Like, how hard is it to do nothing? It is pretty hard. I think it's because of how we grew up, especially if you've grown up in an African household. I'm sure that there were times when you were a child, you sat down to do nothing, and basically it was implied that you were lazy or that you were wasting your time, and so we probably have subconsciously associated doing nothing with laziness, and nobody wants to be lazy, especially when you're in a culture that prioritizes hard work. Because in Ghana, we love to be working hard. It really just feeds into this hustle culture, grind don't stop, can't stop, won't stop type of culture. But we really need to, at some point, just stop, relax, and do nothing. Because I know that for me, when I'm tired, I am not a fun person. I am not a great person. I am not on my A game. But how do I stop? When it makes me feel lazy. And it goes into the next point. It's just about being productive, and productivity being an identity for most people, myself included. Because I have this thing about feeling more accomplished the more productive I am. You've seen some of my vlogs. I really like being able to say I got this done. I ticked off everything on my to-do list. I spent my day doing so much. So not doing anything feels like I am accomplishing nothing. I cannot associate rest with positive feelings. My associations with rest are more so waste. And I need to get to a point where I'm changing that mindset. And I think that there are many other people who will probably be in the same mindset with regards to rest. I started to feel bored, so I picked up my phone. And that didn't help at all, because when I picked up my phone, I was distracted. It wasn't replenishing me in any way. It was rather draining me. There were messages that I needed to respond to. I opened my work email. I was seeing people accomplishing things on social media and feeling like I needed to start some project or I needed to do something. It just put me back in hyperactive mode rather than making me rest. And even when I was in hyperactive mode, just mindlessly scrolling felt more like a waste of time than doing nothing. It's just very draining. I want to do something that makes me feel rested. And sleep isn't working for me because I can't sleep. I can't just lounge and do nothing. So how do you rest when you don't know how to rest? I don't know. I've decided today to try some things. I still have more than 8 hours left in my day. I'm going to try to fill the day with activities that are not draining, that allow me to focus, not focus like I'm doing work, but focus on something enjoyable. Maybe I'm going to dance, maybe I'm going to paint, maybe I'm going to try to read a book. But today we are not going to do anything productive. We are going to do things that make us feel good, make us feel refreshed, and make us feel rested. I need to go back to work on Monday on my A game, feeling cool, calm, collected. So we need to rest. Okay, let's rest. Let's rest. What do we want to do first? What do we want to do first? It's actually been a while since I did some coloring. Coloring was always good for my mind. Let's put on some lo-fi music and color a page in a book. That sounds relaxing. Let's do that. That was refreshingly distracting. I just finished coloring this page, and boy has it felt good to not think about work or anything serious for a while. The only thing I was thinking about was what color to use next. And that feels good because lately my mind has had multiple trains of thought narrowly avoiding each other. It's been really chaotic. So having just one train of thought was good. And this time it wasn't even just a train of thought, it was a kiddie train at a kids' fanfare. It was a vibely train. It was a fun train. So yeah, we like that. I also realized that I'm not going to get any rest doing nothing. I don't associate doing nothing with rest. It's not going to change overnight. And the anxiety and stress I feel doing nothing will make it so that I'm not resting. So it's in my best interest to prioritize low mental and physical effort activities like coloring a page in a book or painting or crocheting. Guys, I've been wanting to get into crochet. TikTok and Facebook have been throwing crochet videos at me. I used to crochet in high school, and I'm really fighting the temptation to just go to a shop and buy all the yarn and all the crochet hooks because I don't know how to do small scale hobbies. Regarding just giving my physical body rest, I have to put in an effort to sleeping early and trying as much as possible to get a full 8 hours of sleep, especially on the weekends when I don't have a lot of tasks pending the next day. So that's what we're going to do. We are on our restful journey. We are in our rest era. Rest era. So I'm gonna end the video now to go and continue with my rest. I started reading a book last night, and so I'm gonna continue that and maybe reward myself by watching a Netflix movie whilst I wait for my husband to come home, and then try to go to bed early. That's my plans for the rest of the day. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please tell me your thoughts on the video. Tell me your thoughts on rest. Do you struggle with rest? I genuinely like hearing your opinions and thoughts on my videos and the things that we talk about. So comment down below, get the comments in. And if it's your first time seeing me, I must tell you we have a lot of fun and good conversation, and you don't want to miss out. So go ahead and subscribe right now. If you're a returning viewer, you already know how I feel about you. Hey. I see you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. It means the world to me. Happy resting.